We are rolling.
Hello. I'm meeting up with a motovlogger and I've taken down a dirt track.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no farmers this time. Oh my god! Great fun! This is ridiculous! I kept getting pulled in. Oh shit! Did not see that because of the dust. Christ, I quit smoking a year ago. Which I can't see. See, when that rut is angled down, like that on that side, you can't, it pulls you in. So it's like a black hole. If you're skimming around the event horizon, you get sucked in. Woohoo! This is adventure riding. Hello and welcome to another video. Woohoo! We're off-roading, baby! Whoa, Nelly! Whoa, Nelly! I've got quite high pressure in the rear. This is probably not the best. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa! The front is bumping up and down. Jesus Christ! I'm not sure if both the tyres are on the ground at the same time for any period of time. Whoa! Oh, a rock just hit the bottom of the bike. That wasn't good. I felt that hit. Mark's gone. It's hard enough to see the train change when there isn't dust. The GoPro is probably making all this look very terribly easy, but there is subtle change. Well, it's not subtle for me, but the subtle changes you can see, it was properly like this for me. That rhymed. My pose, and I didn't even know it. It's actually chilled out a little bit now. Woo! Water splash. Look at that in the mirror. Now this is epic. The only way this could be more epic is if Epic Adam was here. Water splash. Bearing in mind, people, I am fully loaded. If you haven't seen the last video where I rode up to North Devon, and then rode around Exmoor. You might not have seen how much luggage I've got with me right now. I'm currently fully loaded to the brim.
Bit dusty, isn't it?
That was amazing.
Go around there, go back.
Alright. We got to do double, triple, quadruple checks because we got nearly killed. Well, he nearly got killed a minute ago. Oh, I lost the front end already. Oh, I just bottomed out. If anyone complains about the Sinnis terrain being slow, do this on your CB125R. Whoa, that nearly took the handlebars out of my hands. I literally feel like I'm in the Paris-Dakar right now. This is the best 125 in the world, period. I have ridden a couple hundred miles in the last 24 hours. It's a commuter. I can do the weekly shop and I can do this. Yeah, baby! Whoa! Squiggly! Jesus Christ! Oh, we got some big ruts. Slow it down, slow it down. It's not a race, but it's a race! I can really feel the weight on the back. However, I think that's actually aiding me. And like making me more planted, so when I hit these rocks that are bouncing my wheels off the ground, it's just forcing, whoa! It's just forcing them back down again. So I think if I didn't have so much weight then, I would have come off in that instance. Is Mark? He's still there. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Sorry for not talking, I needed my concentration. Oh, is that the end? Amazing!
Mate, I can't see anything. I've got so much dust in my arms. Right, we'll go to the next bit.
Yeah, okay. So, this is what it's like riding with Epic Motorcycle Adventures. It's been epic. We've both got motorcycles and it's been an adventure. I'll say goodbye now because I don't know how long the battery's going to last. However, there could be ages left. Woohoo!
Right, this is the other easy bit, and then we get to another crossroads before it gets to the hard part. We'll stop at the crossroads.
Okay.